I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the Ps5 controller so stickers adhere. Use a 70% isopropyl wipe and dry fully. Once done, align the sticker visually over the target area, buttons, touchpad, or shell to ensure cutouts match. Peel about one half of the backing away, keeping the other half attached to prevent the sticker from folding. This gives you control and lets you position an edge precisely before committing, which reduces bubbles and misplacement. Make adjustments now, while the sticky layer is still manageable. Now you place and secure the sticker. Align the exposed edge exactly where you want it, then press down gently from the center toward the edges to push air out. Make sure to use a soft card or microfiber cloth to apply consistent pressure. This prevents scratches and ensures full contact. As you slowly peel off the remaining backing, continue smoothing in short strokes. Doing this progressively guarantees the sticker conforms to curves and seams and keeps cutouts for buttons precise and functional. Finish by trimming any overhang with a sharp precision knife, always cutting away from yourself and taking tiny passes for control. If you want extra durability, apply a thin matte or clear protective film over the sticker to resist wear. Make sure to test button travel and triggers after trimming so nothing interferes. If edges lift or bubbles appear later, gently warm the area with a dry air source for a few seconds and press firmly to reactivate the adhesive. This often reseats the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.